And welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. In this video, we'll introduce a great feature of Kotlin called data class. Okay, so let's create a test file to play with that, and we'll compare the normal class and the data class. Okay, Kotlin. So Kotlin and data class. Okay, so let's create a normal one and the data class. Okay, so the normal one will be class, like we'll use ChessPiece, normal class. Okay, so this is the primary constructor. We have a row and row and the column. Wait a minute. Column and chessman, a string, no, string and player. Okay, player, a string. It will be white or black, like that. So we can test that, right? So test function, test this one. Okay, so next we'll create another data class. So that to save some typing, let me just copy this one, make a copy of this guy. How to create our yeah, let's put it here, right, in normal, not normal, data class. Data class, we put a data here, the keyword data. Yeah, why does it complain? Oh, sorry about that. VL value and value. Okay, so we already learned, right, the normal class. Yeah. Oh, one of the difference is the normal class can be the super class in inheritance, but the data class cannot be to play the role of a super class, right? But other than that, let's create, right, two instances of the normal class. Okay, so test ChessPiece. Let's just use one here. So we'll put the plain code inside of this single function. Let's create our like value normal piece 1 equals, let's create a normal one, right? Chess is normal class, and colon, let's do 0, keep it simple, 0, and the chessman, the shortest one is maybe king. Okay, and player white. Okay, now let's create another one here with the same, right, argument, same argument for the primary constructor, but this one is 2. Now if we, right, compare the equality of those two things, normal piece 1 equals normal piece 2. Is it true or false? It is, let's see, it's false. Because by default, the equals function provided by the superclass any use the equality of the memory reference. So they are two, right, different instances, even though all the properties are same. Okay. So if we want to change this behavior, we have to override this function, right? Equals. We'll talk about that later. But if we create, right, two data function, two instances of the data class, right? That's a different story. So let's make a copy of that. So this time, not normal data, right? Data class. Okay, now let's compare. So let's put some with data class, right? So data piece 1 equals data piece 2, and make a copy of that so to make it consistent. So normal piece 1, normal piece 2, okay, with normal class. Let's try it. Oh, sorry about that. It's also false. Let's put a line break here. Yeah, this one should be data class, right? Data class, okay. Data class, right? Now try it again. You see? Because the Kotlin is so nice, they provide a better implementation, right, of the equals function. So it will compare to make sure all the properties are equal, right, to each other for two instances of the data class, to make sure they are equal. So this is the structural equality for us. It's not like the comparing the reference, right? So this is more convenient for us. We'll create our real ChessPiece class, right, using the data one. Let's do it. So new. So we'll use, right, the ChessPiece. Okay, so we'll create our data class with, yeah, we can copy. Okay, so let's put here val row and column int and chessman string for now, and player string for now, right? What? ChessPiece. Why? Why does it complain? Oh, sorry, it's data class. Yeah, haha, now it's happy. Okay. Cool. So this will be our real chess piece data class in the app. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next.